So today we'll be talking about something very interesting, that is romantic fever. Now, most of us will confuse romantic fever and mistake it for malaria. Reason why we keep on treating one and the same thing and there is no remedy. Now, romantic fever, on the other hand, is caused by a bacteria that is called the streptococcal infection. And romantic fever arises when scarlet fever or strep throat remains untreated. Now, scarlet fever happens when this bacteria releases a lesion on the skin which causes red patches. And other symptoms of this toxin, we have headache, we have vomiting, we have fever, among aside the red rash. And this bacteria in question that causes this scarlet fever or this strep throat. Now you can get in contact with it either by touching contaminated surfaces or firstly sharing utensils with infected persons and sharing probably toothbrush and bathing equipments, what has to get into your body with infected persons. The next one is through skin to skin contact. Now, infected persons who have wounds can aid in transmitting this bacteria from one person to another. The next thing is you can get this bacteria also by uncontrolled sneezing and coughing. When someone who is infected sneezes and coughs uncontrollably, it predisposes the surrounding people to the bacteria. So those are the ways in which you can get in contact with this bacteria. And don't forget, if it's not treated, sore throat also is one of the symptoms that is caused by this bacteria. And you notice that if you don't treat that sore throat, you are going to have fever, and you tend to think that fever is malaria. No, that is romantic fever, which is caused by the bacteria. So don't forget to follow me for more health knowledge. Thank you.